welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to take a look at this 2018 Toyota 4Runner Limited. So what's nice about the Limited is it does have a couple additional features that do come standard, including these running boards. Now this does have proximity entry, making it easier to get inside and outside of the vehicle easy enough. Now one thing that I do like about this Limited is it does have this tool bench in a sense out back that you can move in and out. So if you have something up here that you're using, you don't need to take it out all the way, you can just slide it in and out. Holds up to 400 pounds. It also has the tow hitch. And my favorite thing about the 4Runner in general, you actually have a rear window that goes down for any dogs that you may have, so you have plenty of room, or if you just want a little extra air. Now it's got plenty of room in the second row. It does have two power outlets out back with the full leather interior. And then up front you do have memory driver's seat, heated and cooled front seats, as well as a sunroof to go with it. I want to thank you for your time, taking a look at this video and looking at this vehicle. If you want to come and take a look at it in person, feel free to give us a call or come to the showroom and ask for me. My name is Jordan Rothrock. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day.